it's Sabrina
and Kyla.
And welcome back to the
Cardello Sisters.
Today we're going to be making a Ghiradelli Salted Caramel Brownie mug treat. We've already done 2 mug treats. We've done
the rainbow chip
and the chocolate chip cookie one. And so those 2 were by a different brand. And this one is Ghiradelli. And so Ghiradelli has amazingly good chocolate. So let's see how this turns out. It also, on the box, looks like there's little like chips or like salted caramel chips. So that will be interesting to find out what that is. And it also comes with 4 of these packets.
These exact. We're only using 2, and maybe another day we'll use a second.
Yep. So let's get started.
So first we'll be cutting this, as you see,
The bag's open.
and we'll pour them into a microwave cup. Or I got this from Honey Duke's. It was my cauldron cake, and the cauldron is actually not edible, but you can reuse it. So if you went to Honey Duke's in Harry Potter World, California or Florida, you could do it. You could save this, and then you could do it in this or any other mug cake.
Yeah. So we're gonna pour this into. I'm
not because
so
I was explaining.
I'm excited to see.
It's not pudding.
There's some big chunks in here, and I wonder if
That's
those...
like the chips, right?
So I don't think that we're supposed to do this. So I'm kind of gonna look around in here and see if I can find a chip. Okay. They're bigger than I expected. So you can't really see it because it's covered in cake batter. But that is the size of it, if you guys can see that. So it's a pretty big, it's not like a Hershey Kiss.
Nope,
size.
they aren't that big. I got a small one. Probably can sit. I'll show you. Let's see. It's so tiny. Isn't that so tiny? I'm just gonna eat it. There it goes.
So I guess there's a variety of sizes. Because
That's actually kind of good.
that was just a... I found one.
That's tiny.
Okay, so those are those are the little chips. So now we're gonna go on to step 2. So step 2, we're gonna add 4 teaspoons, 4 whole teaspoons.
Only
4 of teaspoons of water.
So we both have to do 4.
It's not like the rainbow chip and the cookie one where it's water or milk. It
has to.
Water.
It has to do water.
Now we're going to pour 4 of these in, and then we're going to mix it up for 30 seconds, and then let it sit for 30 seconds, and then we're going to stir it again. So we're going to go do that.
Can you get it measured? Is one okay? Is it okay? Yeah. So we are done. So we have stirred, mixed, and stirred again. And then now we are basically
Now we're going to put
done.
it in the microwave
Yeah.
on high for a minute to a minute 15. And here is how the cake consistency should be, or how mine turned out. It's a cream, if you can see that, but it's a creamy texture. I don't think you can really see it, but I'll show you like that. So it should be like that consistency. All right, so we're gonna go pop this in a microwave for a minute to a minute 15 each. So, and then we're gonna let it cool for 3 minutes. So let's go do that. So We just took our mugs out of the oven and we have set a timer for the 3 minutes. Mine has already been 3 minutes and this is what it looks like. So it didn't really grow a lot as it says in the picture.
So as it says in the picture, it looks like it grew a lot, but
it didn't rise
didn't
as
really
much.
as
But
rise
it
as
still looks like a good serving.
It still looks good. It's kind of like the cookie that we had.
Yeah.
Didn't rise
And
as
I
much.
really can't wait.
But it's also a brownie, and brownies don't really rise.
Yeah. And I really can't wait to try it.
Me too.
So. And
Hey, Google!
There's the timer.
Stop my. Did she just say wanna move? Hey Google, stop my timer.
Hey Google, stop the timer. She's not listening. Okay, she listened.
Hey Google,
She's not listening.
stop my timer.
Okay, now she listened. So now let's.
Yes, we have a Google Home.
Oh.
Oh, it's like spongy. I mean, like it's hard, but it's hot.
It's hot.
But good tasting. I like it. I'll give this.
It's very good.
I'll give it a 5-star. All stars filled. Well. So if I went online and there was 5 stars, then I would give it all 5.
I don't really taste the salted caramel.
Hot.
Like, I wish the chocolate chips were bigger, or like the caramel chips, because
I think it's fine. I think it's just like
you can't really taste them with the brownie.
hot. It's hot. They should
Not
have
bad.
in the box took a little more longer to cool, but
Yeah. But, and it's a little chewy, but
I feel
overall,
fun.
it's really good. It has a really good flavor.
Yeah, it
And
does.
I really enjoy it. Now, will I have this again? Yes.
Of course.
Now, on a scale from 1 to 10, how would you rate this?
It's like best baker ever to worst baker ever.
No. It's like you hate it, you would never eat it again, to I love this, I'll have it again tomorrow or in an hour.
I would give it a 10, but not like the world's best.
My score would be a 6.
I changed my score to probably like a 7.
A 7?
Yeah.
Because it's not really good. It's not really bad. It's just like right in the middle.
No,
But a little more.
it's just on the box. It looks like it rises more. And I lie to you. It doesn't rise as much.
Well, that's also so that you can see it.
Mhm.
So, thank you guys so much for I'm sorry. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. And while you're down there subscribing, don't forget to hit the notification button, the little bell, so that you get notified when a new video comes out. Thank you guys for watching and
Bye!